Hey there, check out this mini tactical backpack I just received. This is a 9-liter one. It's like the perfect size for really any kind of use, and that's why I got it. But I just want to show you kind of the size and all the pockets. It is waterproof. It is also breathable. If you can't see this material, which makes it breathable, water resistant. It also has this little side latch so you can tighten it or untighten it depending on how much you're putting in it. You have your pockets over here. You have a Velcro padded pocket right here in the back. This is going to be great for the gym, a little carry-on maybe for the airport, hiking, really anything. And that's, again, why I love it. It's like the perfect size. Check that out. So I'm going to kind of pack it and see how much I can get into it. But look at, you can kind of tell right there that it's a good, decent size. And I love that there's, you know, plenty of pockets to put different things, which makes it easier to find things and everything. You have your side pockets on each side. And then, of course, your straps here. So I'm going to loosen these up and try them out. And I'll show you what it looks like on. You also have your carry handle if you wanted to carry it like that. Here, I'm going to show you the front has a few different pockets. Also little things like if you wanted to attach a carabiner or something right here, that's perfect for there. Another pocket here. There's just like so much storage, and it's the perfect size, I think. You also have a patchwork that you can put on it. So here's another. But right here, this is kind of like Velcro, and you can just attach your patches and have them sitting on there, which I will do so. It's just that they have backs on them, so I'll have to take that off like that. So now it's ready to go. Then you just attach it, and you have your patchwork on. So how cool is that? So I'm going to pack this up and show you how it works. All right, here are my workout shoes I'm going to put in here. Zip that up. Again, plenty of pockets for all different sorts of things. I'm going to bring some snacks. Of course, my water bottle on the side here. My keys, phone, and plenty of room for more. Check that out. Plenty of room for more. And put it on like a backpack. And I'm ready to go. I am probably going to use this for outdoor hiking and everything, but again, it can be used for so many different things. I am loving it. I love the look too, that it can be used for male or female. So love this and highly recommend it.